Now, I have my okra here, and let me get the pepper. I'm going to put salt and pepper on it. And I'm going to put it in one of these bags. I don't like to wash dishes. I'd rather throw away a bag. Okay, I'm going to pour a little buttermilk in here to wet it. Stir it up good. Okay, I'm going to put some self-rising cornmeal on it. Now, you put cornmeal and stuff on yours according to how much you have. And just a little tad bit of flour. You know, in the South, we don't measure anything. But I've been trying to get measurements for you all. Shake it up like that. And I've got this over here ready to fry. Now next is my fish. I've got it all in a bag here. And this is bass. And I have been letting it sit in some water and salt water. And I'm going to do it the same way. Put some buttermilk on it so it'll have a good crust. And as you can tell, we use buttermilk on everything. And you can put any seasonings that you want on it, but we don't like anything on ours except salt and pepper. And I'm going to put a little, wrong one, self-rising flour. And some cornmeal.
Call from Bobby Adams.